What is change of character in trading and how to use it? Stay tuned to find out. As you can also see from my thumbnail, here I have made a beautiful drawing for you. And the drawing is as follows. This one that you see right here is the 4-hour time frame, let's say, okay? I'm gonna type down 4 hours. And here we are on the 15-minute time frame as an example, and I'm gonna type down 15 minutes over here for the exact same pair. Now I will eliminate confusion early on. This spot that we see right here, let's say that this is a 4-hour order block over here. And when price makes it back to this 4-hour order block, then we scale down to the 15-minute time frame. And here we are right now on the 15-minute time frame in this exact same spot of the 4-hour order block. So we are analyzing price action within this 4-hour order block right here. We are expecting a continuation of the overall trend, and we will explain, it is very easy actually, what is a change of character. A change of character is yet another break of structure, as you see right here. But on a lower time frame, in an area that we expect price to retrace from a higher time frame, we do identify a break of structure towards the opposite side, and this break of structure is the so-called change of character or CHOCH. As an example, this one that you see right here, if I zoom in, and I cannot zoom in right here even more, so let me go back. Okay, this one right here, this minor thing, is a break of structure, but towards the downside. We want to see a reaction towards the upside and the break of structure towards the upside within this 4-hour order block. And when we see that, this break of structure is a CHOCH, is a change of character at the same time. So we changed from this pullback, this is a pullback on the 4-hour time frame, a potential pullback, and within the 15-minute time frame in the 4-hour order block, we changed our character from a downtrend on the 15-minute time frame. This downtrend on the 15-minute time frame is the pullback from the 4-hour time frame. So we changed character from a downtrend to an uptrend by breaking this structure right here. And there are two ways to go about it. One is to place an order right here when we see the first CHOCH, which is this one. You see, we can just place a pending order, or we can enter manually if and when price makes it back to the area, or at the same time you can wait for a larger CHOCH such as this one over here, and then you can place an order on this 15-minute time frame order block. So you can expect something like that as well. In this occasion, instantly when we broke impulsively and we changed character, now we identified this 15-minute order block and then we placed a pending order or whatever over here. And now I'm gonna take you through an example on the charts, but there is a but. If you want to know how to use change of character or CHOCH, however you wanna call it, not only by expecting it to come back to a 4-hour order block, but if you want to learn how to utilize change of character within your graph on smaller time frames, then I highly suggest that you become a member of my premium course by clicking on the link down in the description or on the pinned comment in the comment section. You will identify a bunch of other opportunities on how to enter trades with CHOCH, and not only when price makes it back to those areas of major significance. Now let's go to our charts and I'm gonna show you such an example right here. It is Tuesday 19th of July 2022. I want it to be very similar to the example that I showed you in the graphical representation. You will have high, low, higher high. What do we expect? We expect a higher low. Let's go ahead and let's highlight our order block of high significance, which is this 4-hour time frame order block down here. It is exactly the same as in the graphical representation. When price makes it back into this area, we scale down to the 15-minute time frame and we want to see change of character within the 4-hour order block. And let's see if that happens. Let's see. Okay. First of all, you have to identify that this thing right here is a potential change of character on its own. It may not be that clear, for example, as I showed in the example that we do that and you break this thing, but it might be exactly such as this example right here. We do that, we make a structure and we break it like that. This is this occasion right here. Once we broke over here, we will be identifying our 15-minute order block, which was responsible for this break of structure. Of course, you can go ahead and do as I have said and place two orders. Okay, I have said that in one of my YouTube videos, so you can go ahead, break this down in two separate orders right here. One can go here and one can go here. And this is a way to enter with a pending order. And now the beautiful thing with that is that you can either target this high because you are expecting a continuation of the overall trend, or you can just target this first high, or you can close partials. Let's see how this thing played out. We are activated into the first one. And if you are a member of the premium courses, you will understand why we did get activated from this order block and not from this order block down here. But we had our change of character right here. This is a change of character. And let's move on to see how much this trade would have gone for. Like the maximum of the trade, of course we don't really care about that, but the maximum of the trade would have been a 6.8 to 1. I said that you could have closed partials at 4 to 1 right here, or even this area you can close partials, or you can even target even higher than this area. This of course gets invalidated once this is activated and it does play out. There are way more rules on how to enter, as I said, within the 15-minute time frame and profit from many different occasions, and we teach that only in the private course. Furthermore, I am updating my courses again and again. I'm always engaged with my community, and I have one announcement that I'm gonna be starting live trading for everybody, and I'm gonna be live trading especially Bitcoin USDT or maybe some other cryptocurrencies as well. When I see such opportunity, I'm gonna be going live to everybody on this YouTube channel. Even though I'm gonna be answering general questions, of course I'm not gonna be answering about the specifics of why I enter on these spots that I'm gonna be entering, because this is only kept for people of the private Discord server. So this was change of character for you. Hopefully I have clarified what CHOCH is for you with this video. It is just a break of structure actually. If you did like the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn the notifications bell on. You don't want to be missing any of this educational content. Go ahead and type in the comment section what kind of video you would like me to do as a next video. This is gonna do it for today. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.